Hello. This short video will show you how to register for the VAT Mini One-Stop Shop Union Scheme. Remember that you need to be registered for Ross before you can use this service. This registration is a 3-step process. You can log into Ross in the usual manner by selecting your digital certificate and entering your password. This brings you to the My Services screen. To access the registration screens, click on the VAT MOSS button under the Other Services heading. From this screen, you can register for the VAT MOSS Union Scheme. On every screen, there are a number of navigation tools. These tools allow you to customize the screen by changing the language, the size of the text, and the contrast. If you have already begun the registration process, you will be able to continue with your registration by clicking Resume. All of the information you have previously provided will be automatically saved and can be accessed here if you exit the process at any stage. You can begin by clicking on the Register button. You can now make the first step in registering your business. This is the company screen. The details on each section are used to validate your claim. Here, any information you have currently registered for Ross will be pre-populated. The remaining fields must be updated. The Company Information section allows you to enter general information regarding your business. If the business you are registering has more than one website URL, you will have the ability to add additional website URLs using the Add button. In the Other Identifying Information section, you will only need to enter information in the Irish VAT Group drop-down and trading name field. In the Company Bank Account Details section, you will be required to provide the necessary bank details. Your bank account details will be used for reimbursements only. Revenue will not deduct money from your bank account if there is a payment due. When you are happy with the information you have provided in the company screen, you can proceed by clicking Continue. You are now on the Contact screen. On this screen, there are a number of required fields that must be completed, including your primary contact information and contact information for a second individual. Please note, the secondary contact information must be different from the primary contact information. Once you have entered the necessary information, click Continue to proceed to the History screen. You are now on the History screen, which describes all of the previous interactions your business may have had with VAT MOSS in any member state. This screen is made up of 4 steps. Firstly, you will be required to provide information on whether you are currently registered for VAT MOSS services in any member state. If no, you may proceed to the next section. If yes, however, you will be required to submit details regarding the country of registration and tax reference number. Next, in the Previous Use of Scheme panel, you will be required to provide information on whether you have previously been registered for VAT MOSS in any member state. The EU Fixed Establishments panel allows you to provide details on any fixed establishments you may have in any member state. You will be required to submit the relevant details. For more than one fixed establishment, click the Add button. Next, we look at the Other Member State Identifiers panel. In the next section, you must give details of any VAT numbers previously issued to your business by another member state. For more than one member state identifier, click the Add button. When you are happy to proceed, click Continue. You are now on the Summary screen. This allows you to review all the information you have provided over the course of the registration process. If you wish to amend any of the information that you have already submitted, click the Edit icon on the relevant section. To agree with the terms and conditions, tick the Declaration box and then click Continue. You are now at the Sign and Submit screen. This is the final step in the VAT MOSS Union Scheme registration process. Here, enter your ROS password and click Sign and Submit to submit your registration. If your registration is successful, you will be shown a confirmation page with the option to finish and return to the ROS overview page. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful.